Hey guys, we're trying this game again. See if it hits anything. We have it loaded this time. Giving you more than last time. Oh, you're missing one for hundreds of dollars. Look, one for 5 of a kind of hand. Right there. Something, I hope. Oh, that's a good hit. I don't know. 1 line pays 10, 17 line for 5, 40. So far, we're up to how much? I don't want to play it because I don't want to mess up my games. See, you got 7666. It hit back to back, and it was, last time was terrible. Like, we won that on 25 cents, guys. Come on, wish us some luck. If it was one more, it would have been huge. One more 8. Where the Go Fishing sign is. It's still going. Come on, keep climbing. There's something. One line plays 40, $1, $10. I don't know, this game's not as hot as it used to be loaded. We used to win hundreds and hundreds. Retrigger. None of them had that good of symbols. So dream results. We've been winning at the Gold Coast, but we're at the Palm, so. Come on, guys. Let's retrigger. When this game is ready, it pays a lot. It pays hundreds and hundreds. Let it keep going because there's only one more game, so we need to retrigger. Still going, that's good. One more hand. Ooh, 65, it's still going. 76. Oh, that was a losing hand. Look at that, bullshit. It's terrible. That's it.